and girls, welcome to Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. This is your host Kicha, and today we are going to do some more unboxing. So we got this huge package over here, and I can't wait to unbox this. Little brick sound. Let's see. We'll need a scissors. I think you should decrease the amount of tape you put on your boxes. I know why they put tape, for safety, but still, you should decrease it. Because if it's a kid's product and a kid wants to unbox it, it'll take about 10 to 15 minutes to take it out. Yay! Is anything in there? No. Keep it down. And this is the Lego City. It's a part of the series. There are many sets in the series, and this is one set out of them. This is set number 60209. As you can see, it's a police chase. There's a man in a helicopter which looks really cool. I can't wait to build that. There's also a truck which, that truck looks awesome. So as you can see, there's a woman and a man in a helicopter trying to steal the gem. But these police officers are not going to let them. One of them has a jetpack which will help them to catch them because they are going through the air. And the girl, I think, is the driver and the person that will help to bring the bad guys down. So here are some of the facilities. Back shows all the movable parts. Like in the back of the van, one speciality about it is that you can open it and you can put the prisoner inside. And that one more thing I saw was that you can take the gem and put it, because here there's a hole. So if you put this box and put it in, it'll fit. So I can't wait to begin. So let's get started. So let's dig right in. Let's take this out. So we have package number 4, package number 2, package number 1. I think this is the light and sound Siren. I'm guessing it's that. Package number 3, and most important of all, the instructions. The helicopter one, and this is the finished helicopter. So let's start. Okay, so we're finished with the whole set. So let me explain. This is one of the police members. She has a badge and she's wearing a brown belt. She also has a walkie-talkie. In the back, she has a walkie-talkie and the police written on it. Next is the Jetpack Policeman. He has a vest, as you can see, and he has a jetpack. So here we have also a sticker, police sticker. Next is one of the bad guys, one of the criminals. Her weapon is a type of drill, chainsaw type of thing. She has a jacket and she has this red thing on her. Next, another bad guy. He has a gas mask which doesn't fit on. He has a gas mask for high altitudes. He has a helmet and he has the same jacket and everything as the other criminal. Here we have the vehicle, the police truck. Let me do a speed test. Goes pretty fast for a Lego vehicle. Yes. So over here we can see is the license plate, the front license plate. This can be moved to see the license plate. This is like a guard for the front. Here we have the sound and light siren. Makes a good sound. Here we have, they have put a lot of detail, not gonna lie, they put a lot of detail. I like that about you, like, oh. So here we have 2 mirrors, 2 headlights. In the back they were opening and closing door. So here is the fun part. Ching. The gem is inside the police vehicle. So here we have a red crystal. I think it's ruby or something. Might be a fire crystal. 2 glass pieces. And we have the roof of the police vehicle. So it easy fits like this. And when the helicopter comes out, it'll go like this. Connects this. And then they go brum 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 brum. So here we have the helicopter. I think this is the biggest vehicle out of all of them. Here we have 2 engines. We have a small hatch where you can put this guy in. Yeah. Just put him in. One more funny thing that happened. Yeah, like it happened yesterday after I built my police truck and my helicopter. The helicopter fell out by a really heavy wind. It was so windy. I was just minding my business. I was playing with my cube, my Rubik's Cube. Then suddenly I heard a tsh. I was like, what's going on? And when I looked, I became like startled. I became like really startled. And so I had to fix the whole thing again. I had to break all the pieces because there were many pieces from different parts and it all got mixed up. So I had to fix the helicopter. Thank God the police truck didn't fall down, only the helicopter fell down. There are many special details. The name of this vehicle is the prototype XP7. Here we have 2 lights, a backlight, and I think this is the logo, a crow. So that's, and they also have wheels. Forgot to tell you about that. So after 3 days, I've completed set number 60209 of Lego City. One thing I loved about this is that Lego makes it really challenging, and that so it's most of the time you see toys like cars and all pre-made. But one special thing about Lego is that they don't pre-made it. They make you build it. They make you creative. You don't even need the instructions. Some people can just make it with their own mind. So that's a special thing. Lego gives a mind, like a vision, to kids to improve their creativity. It's not only academics in life. It's creativity. It's many things. And one of them is creativity. So Lego does that. And one thing I love Lego, they put so many cool details. So I really love this set a lot, and I know Lego makes so many more sets, so I can't wait to try and show them all to you out. So here is the Lego City, set number 60209. Thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. Bye boys and girls. Mwah. So here you can see the stickers. So here we have the logo for the police, the sheriffs. Here we have some police stickers. Here we have the vehicle number. And here we have one more for the front. These are for the side. These are also for the side. I'm not sure what this is for. This is for the back.